Orlando Pirates head coach Jose Riveiro commended his players for their resilience and adaptability in securing a vital 1-0 victory against MC Algiers in the first leg of their CAF Champions League quarter-final in Algeria on Tuesday. Despite being under constant pressure throughout the match, the team held firm, earning a crucial advantage for the second leg at home. The statistics reflected the intense defensive challenge Pirates faced, with the Algerian side dominating possession at 69% and registering 21 shots on goal, 5 of which were on target. However, for Riveiro, the focus was not on the numbers but on the result, which came courtesy of a brilliant strike by Mohaun Kota. Riveiro acknowledged that his team had to alter their usual attacking style to withstand MC Alger's relentless pressure. Instead of their typical possession-based approach, Pirates adopted a more pragmatic defensive strategy to ensure they left with a positive result. The head coach emphasized the importance of the win, even if it meant sacrificing their preferred style of play. The coach also pointed out that the unpredictable nature of football meant that the second leg in Orlando would be just as challenging, if not more so.